Well, hello, and welcome to IamJoshKnox.com. I'm your host. That's right, I am Josh Knox, and today's lesson is on getting your free trial of a Dynamics 365 environment. Let's go. Was a Dynamics 365 environment on your Christmas list? I know it was on mine. It's right above the hoverboard, but below the Red Ryder BB gun. So if your Christmas list looked like mine, Christmas came early. Microsoft's made it really easy to get a Dynamics 365 trial environment, and I'm about to show you how. So let's take a look. So we're here at trials.dynamics.com, and Microsoft has made available all of the Dynamics 365 products for you to be able to spin up your own trial version of the product. So you have D365 for sales, customer service, field service, project service automation, retail, human resources, business central, and our favorite here at IamJoshKnox.com, finance and operations. So all you have to do is select the product that you want, enter your work email and phone number, and then click Get Started. After accepting the terms and conditions, it takes about 15 to 30 minutes for the environment to get spun up. Once the environment is spun up, you'll receive an email from Lifecycle Services team, the email being lcsteam@microsoft.com. The email looks like this, and you can simply click here to start link, and you'll be taken to your trial environment. You can see there's a welcome message about the trial, and click Dive In. Let's get started. From here, you have a trial environment with the basic Contoso data available to you for the next 30 days. In some future videos, I'll look through this trial environment, what we can do, what we can't, and have more fun. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and do all those things those kids are doing, and we'll see where we go from here.